Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we are going to study the second part of Insurance and Annuity of Mathematics and Statistics Part 2 of class 12th. In this lecture, we will solve some problems of insurance. The first one is find the premium on a property worth rupees 25 lakh at 3% if the property is fully insured. Second, the property is insured for 80% of its value. In this question, it is given that property value equal to 25 lakh, rate of premium equal to 3%. When property is fully insured, that means policy value equal to property value. So the policy value will become 25 lakh. Now amount of premium equal to 3% of policy value. 3% of policy value means 3% of 25 lakh. When we will solve this 3% of 25 lakh, we will get rupees 75,000. When the property is fully insured, then amount of the premium is rupees 75,000. Okay. Here we have to find two premiums. One is for when property is fully insured, then what premium we have to pay, and in second case when the property is insured for 80% of its value. So now we will find the premium for the case when the only 80% of property is insured. Okay, the property is insured for 80% of its value, then policy value equal to 80% of property value. Therefore policy value equal to 80% of 25 lakh, that means 80 upon 100 into 25 lakh, which is equal to rupees 20 lakh. Now amount of premium equal to 3% of policy value, that means 3% of 20 lakh, which is equal to 3 upon 100 into 20 lakh. And when we solve this, we will get rupees 60,000. Therefore, when 80% of property is insured, the premium amount will be rupees 60,000. Okay. The next question is, a shop is valued at rupees 3,60,000 for 75% of its value. If the rate of premium is 0.9%, find the premium paid by the owner of the shop. Also find the agent commission if the agent gets commission at 15% of the premium. Here, given shop is insured for 75% of its value. As the policy value is 75% of property value. In this case, the property value is 3,60,000. So policy value will be 75% of 3,60,000. Now we will solve this. 75 upon 100 into 3,60,000, which is equal to 2,70,000. Means out of this whole property is of 3,60,000, but out of this only the property worth rupees 2,70,000 insured. Okay. Now amount of premium equal to 0.9% of policy value, that means 0.9 upon 100 into 2,70,000, which is equal to rupees 2,430. This is the amount of premium. Now as an agent get 15% of premium amount, therefore agent amount equal to 15% of rupees 2,430. And when we solve this, we will get rupees 364.5. Therefore, agent commission is rupees 364.5. Okay. Next, a person insures his office valued at rupees 5 lakh for 80% of its value. Find the rate of premium if he pays rupees 13,000 as premium also. Find the agent's commission at 11%. Given office is insured 80% of its value. Therefore, policy value equal to 80% of 5 lakh, that is 80 upon 100 into 5 lakh, which is equal to 4 lakh. Let the rate of premium is small r, as amount of premium is equal to r% of policy value. Premium is given in the question, which is 13,000. So 13,000 equal to r% of policy value, which is 4 lakh. So we have 13,000 equal to r upon 100 into 4 lakh. When we solve this, we will get 3.25%. Therefore, rate of premium is 3.25%. Also given that agent's commission is 11%. Therefore, agent's commission equal to 11% of 13,000, and which is equal to 1,430. Therefore, agent's commission is 1,430. Okay. Next question is, a building is insured for 75% of its value. The annual premium at 0.70% amounts to rupees 2,625. If the building is damaged to the extent of 60% due to fire, how much can be claimed under the policy? Student, in this question, premium is given, policy value can be found, and you have to find the claim for this property. So premium of amount is rupees 2,625. Building is insured for 75% of its value. Let the value of building is X. Now policy value is 75% of X. 75% of X means 75 upon 100 into X, which is equal to 0.75X. As amount of premium equal to r% of policy value, so we have 2,625 equal to 0.7% of 0.75x. So we have 2,625 equal to 0.00525x. Therefore, x equal to 2,625 upon 0.00525. And when we solve this, we will get x equal to 5 lakh. So, the policy value will be 0.75 into 5 lakh, which is equal to 3,75,000. Given fire damaged the building to the extent of 60%. So, what will be the loss? Loss equal to 60% of 5 lakh. And 60% of 5 lakh means 60 upon 100 into 5 lakh. That means there is a loss of 3 lakh due to fire. So, claim equal to insured value upon property value into loss. Therefore, claim equal to 3,75,000 upon 5 lakh into 3 lakh. So, claim will be rupees 2,25,000. That means in this policy we can claim of rupees 2,25,000. A stock worth rupees 7 lakh was insured for rupees 4,50,000. Fire burnt the stock worth rupees 3 lakh completely. and damaged the remaining stock to the extent of 75% of its value. What amount can be claimed under the policy? That means there is a stock of rupees 7 lakh which is insured for rupees 4 lakh 50,000. That means in this question the property value is 7 lakh while the policy value will be 4 lakh 50,000. Now there is a fire due to which there is a loss or damage of damage of the stock worth rupees 3 lakh, and this fire damaged the remaining stock to the extent of 75% of its value. So we have to find what claim can be do for this policy. Property value is equal to rupees 7 lakh, policy value equal to 4 lakh 50,000. Now stock worth rupees 3 lakh burnt completely due to fire. Therefore remaining stock equal to stock value minus burnt stock. Stock value is 7 lakh minus burnt stock is rupees 3 lakh. So the remaining stock will be 4 lakh. As the remaining stock damaged to extent 75% of its value, that is 75% loss occurred. So reduced amount will be 75% of balanced stock, which is 75 upon 100 into 4 lakh, which will be rupees 3 lakh. Therefore total loss equal to burnt stock plus reduced amount, which is equal to 4 lakh. Since claims equal to insured value upon property value into loss, so it becomes 4 lakh 50,000 upon 7 lakh into 6 lakh, and it will become rupees 3 lakh 85,714.3. So under this policy we can claim of rupees 3 lakh 85,714.3. Thank you.